got Jennifer from Cinnamon Stitch's mystery box in today. Gonna find out what's inside. It's Premier Everyday Anti-Peeling. Never had this before. Medium 4, 180 yards. It's pretty purple, marled. Have to try that out. What's this? Baby bamboo. Sardar. Bamboo and wool. 80-20. It's soft. Ooh, this is pretty. Pixie dust. Polyester metallic. 427 yards. Medium 4. Ooh, it's sparkly. Ooh, that's pretty. Another one. Purple. More pixie dust. It's purple and sparkly too. That's pretty. We have, ooh, my favorite, Muirwoods Mount Tam for weight, 170 yards. I love this color. And then I got another one. Ooh, this is a pretty rhododendron. The blue and red and purple in that one. We got, I don't have this one either. Fable Premier. 80% polyester, 20% anti-peeling. 295 yards, 30 lightweight. That's soft too. Ooh, I love it. I got 2 of those. What's this? Ooh. Mystery fuzzy. Go with that pixie dust stuff. Little furry deals on it. That's pretty. It's so soft. And got, ooh, this is pretty. I haven't seen this either. Wendy Stella Chunky. 100% acrylic. 100 grams. Ooh, all the purples in that. Yeah, I love it. This purple stuff is so pretty. I can't wait to try this one. I haven't tried this one yet. Love it, Jennifer. Thank you.